Autumn has come. The rain has swept in from the sea, day after day, in long quiet waves. The land is soaked with cold fresh water. The birch trees wear their golden coats. Moss glows softly against dark trunks and stones, and a deep stillness rests over the village and the forest. Today, we ride to a place that means a great deal to me. A place hidden between trees and time, where silence settles heavy and safe. Long ago, a great stone broke free from the mountain above and came to rest here, on a fertile clearing at the end of the fjord. For centuries, people have found shelter here. Sámi footsteps, old fire circles, traces of life carried forward by the wind. Here, we find shelter too, warmth from quiet embers, the slow breath of resting horses, and the thin, gentle chime of the stream nearby. Here, there is calm. Here, there is safety, and for a little while, the world becomes simple again.